Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Medici. And yesterday I have given a poll asking you to suggest a next video topic, and the topic I got is complete AZ-104 material. So I know many of the people are preparing for either AZ-104 or 204, or some of them are preparing some advanced level like 305 or 400. So if you are planning to take your 104 Azure admin exam, it's a very good exam. Even you can directly take it up of even it is one not AZ 900 is not required. You can directly prepare for AZ 104, which is a good certificate and is had some value. So for AC-104, I have previously uploaded one PDF that is related to pass ladder. Now, pass ladder, you may expect around 70 to 80% question from pass ladder. So pass ladder questions are limited, and it doesn't guarantee you that you'll get more than 90% question. So today I'll be giving you five different material. It's not a dump, but it's kind of a material. If you can prepare all of them, I mean, nothing is required more. I mean, everything you may expect around 100% question from it. So I would start from the uh, WizLab uh, document. So it's kind of a cheat sheet. So you just can go through each service, and it is like very convenient. It has 105 pages, and all services are one or two liner, and it has a good pictorial representations. Those who are doesn't have Azure subscription as of yet, and you are not doing hands-on. Hands-on is very much required for 104. But if you cannot, but still you can go through this document and try to visualize the hands-on. So, and it is not very big, so you don't need many, like you just need a limited time to finish this document. So once you done the document, the next I would say this is the entire uh, set of exams that is available for Udemy. So this is a very good set of exam, and you can see all the question has answer and explanation. So it has around four tests, so you just go through all the tests, and this will definitely help you to pass the exam. Now the third one is VC plus. So VC plus is kind of a latest question, but the problem again, it doesn't, you cannot entirely rely on these dumps because you may get around 30 or 40% question. So but you can just have a look into it. And the next is this is by Azure admin group. So when these people, they are just collected from the exam, and they take the screenshot and they just post it their review. So you can also go through this question. Some of them are similar, some of them could be new. And last but not the least is exam topic. So this is absolutely new uh, document, and if you compare side by side with the current exam topic uh, website and this dump, you can see all the question are similar. So these 314 page you must need to prepare if you are not preparing some of them, but this is must. You may expect around 90% question from this. So one of them is sufficient, and if you try to purchase this from their website, it will cost around 1400 rupees. So this has all the question, and it has the explanation and answer as well. So I would recommend you to at least go through this document, and then if you can just go through this Udemy one, and the last one would be this AZ, this exam topic entire document. So so the download link I will be just giving it below. You can download and start preparing for AC 104. Thank you.